Okay, so let's move on. Right, you're looking at this is going to fall all the way down into 42,000. This is Bitcoin 42,500. So we want to be hedged. All right, why would we consider that we're not going lower than 42,000? Because of the positive, it's not showing here, but we have strong positive momentum, or at least consistent positive momentum below over both, but it is considered to be strong and consistent. This is the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. Diagrammatically, all right, we were actually supported 50% and 61.8% below 78.6%, below this level, 51,700. We tried to break above this. Remember, we did test 52, just tested 52 and then fell back. Okay, so we failed at 52. We were now failing at 50% between the two, 41,238, 51,700. So we're gonna test 41,238 or 42,000. That's what we expect over the coming, of course, 2 days. All right, so the market is a sell currently for Bitcoin. If you are not already long into the market, you may wish actually to take a very short sell, or short-term sell, that is. We are going to be selling 47,000. You could sell very close to the market right now, half size, and add to that half size at 48,250 in case we see a higher head. This is the end of that 2C. We are going to be taking this to 42,500. If you wish, you could let the profit run. Maybe there's going to be some kind of even deeper test, but it's best, of course, to just take profits at 42,500. We have a stop for this at 49,600, this level here at that yellow arrow. If you are already long, you would want to hedge again at 47,200. 47,300 is showing right now. It's possible to have it a bit higher at 48,200. You're looking at that level here. All right, hedging means that you're going to short 1.5 times your long size. We would take profit at least for half of that position at 42,500 and wait for a confirmation, a bounce, good strong bounce at 42,000 and 42,500, and positive momentum on the 15 minutes before we close out the remainder of our hedge and hold our longs as we move higher. Okay, so remember that once we get to that level, 42,000, we expect a bounce, and it should take us, that's what we're showing here, back to the top of that wedge. All right, top of that wedge, of course, comes in at 50,600, I believe. Yeah, 50,600. So we would, if we're not already long, we would compile a long at that level and close at the top of the wedge. There's going to be a test at this neckline. If this is going to become a bearish market, the bounce at 42,000 will just do a shoulder above that red neckline. Okay, so we will just want at that point to close out our longs at 48,000 and 47,000. We do monitor, of course, every day, so these are all just swing trades. We're only using swing trades for Bitcoin and position trades. Position trade is to hold longs all the way for breakout higher to 52. Swing trade is to, of course, trade the market weekly bottom and sell buy the market weekly bottom and sell the market weekly top, the top of the week. We believe the top of the week is going to begin early this week on Monday or Tuesday. You're going to be, for Bitcoin, 47,000 and 48,000. We have now established the pivot levels for January and for the current week, for the current trading week between today, the 3rd of January, until the 7th of January. We want to be selling 47,300 right about now. It is possible even to get into the market later at 46,680. By then, we believe we're going to have a confirmation. The breakout low for the current week is 42,933. So we're looking to take profits at 43,000. Again, the stop, we just established this yellow arrow here. It's not showing on the weekly chart, but the stop comes in at 49,600. It's really 50% below the fluctuation high and the higher noise band. We could actually get a sell at 48,500 We just established this, and 48,250. All right, this is an intra-week trade. Stops again are just mental. You want to see the level tested, give way, and then get out on a retraction in a right shoulder. All right, if we relate this to a longer term position trade, then we want, if you're going to be compiling longs, we want to buy 42,219. We have, this is the lower noise band for the current month of January. This is what we expect to see. Actually, below this level, this issue becomes bearish. If we get to 37,486, if you get even lower, the whole technical picture changes and the issue really becomes bearish. 37,480, we all remember, is actually on that daily chart, is a break below high degree level 1. High degree level 1 comes in at 41,500, showing right here. So of course, if you fall below this, the market really, if you fall below this level 1, you're really seeing some kind of a head on a shoulder, double shoulders, things, we have a bearish image, and therefore we have to be focused that this is what we're buying, 42,219, compiling there. Our first immediate target is going to be 50,200. Remember, this is if this becomes a bit bearish, we just take profits at the right shoulder before there's a correction back below this neckline shown here in red. We buy again to 52,600 and then 54,000 and 53,000. Sorry, 54,955. All right, we will try to be more efficient, all of us, so we will only target, we know that the market is, this is expected to be a bullish market, should break out anytime, but it will take some time before it breaks out, and we are probably best served by taking profits between the pivot levels, the monthly pivot levels. And the monthly pivot levels equate to around $500 for 1/10 of a coin, sometimes even more.